Hello everybody, today we're going to be talking about the Battlebot. So you guys should have just gone through the instruction booklet and built something that looks like this. It is the Battlebot. And in this minigame, you're going to be trying to push your opponent out of a circle or to make it so that they can no longer move on their own. So in this video, we're going to be going over a couple of solid designs that might get you started on what you want to attach to your own Battlebot in order to try and win the competition. So here's one of the designs that I came up with. The idea is you have this ramp in the front, and when your opponent drives towards you, they end up driving up the ramp, and hopefully you can flip them over. And if they're upside down and unable to move, then you'll win the match. So some things to note. I took out the wheels. They're over here, right there, right now, just to make a little bit more space for my attachment. This is something that will probably be useful even if you don't plan on building a wedge. And as you can see, even without the two front wheels, it can still kind of just slide around just fine. And the other thing is that the placement where you put the infrared sensor isn't terribly important. I have it up here on the original robot. You guys would have had it down here, but if it helps make space for whatever weapon you want to build, you can put it anywhere on the bot. Here is another pretty nifty little spot that you could put it. Okay, so here is the final design. We have been encouraging you guys to use motors throughout the class, and this is the one good use for a motor. If you can ask your instructors for an extra motor, other than the two that are already down here, you can get a third one and use it as an attachment. So I've just made a very simple spinning kind of disc. So when you turn the robot on, that happens, and I'll just turn it off so that you can hear. Basically, when you drive around, nobody's going to want to approach you because they're going to get hit by that and their robot might get damaged. So yeah, that is the final design. Now, if you guys have seen both of these and think that perhaps these are too difficult or too complicated, first of all, I'd say give them a shot. It's a lot of fun, even if you just try. But I'd also say that another good strategy that I haven't come up with an example of in this case is just adding a lot of weight to your robot. If you just make your robot really heavy, it'll be hard for your opponents to push you out of the field. So yeah, that's going to wrap up our video. Thank you very much for watching.